again, welcome to all for joining 24/7 free computer learning. And we have started for Microsoft Word, and after that we will continue to the Microsoft Excel and then Microsoft PowerPoint. So in these three courses that we will teach, every single course has a 4 class. Each class around 1.5 hours to 2 hours. So every single class are very, very important because in the past, this course was been covered in 8 lessons or 8 classes, but now we are covering 8 lessons in 4 classes. So every single class will cover 2 lessons. I will share shortly what the 2 lessons itself. So in Microsoft Word, we have a 4 class. Microsoft Excel, we have a 4 class. Microsoft PowerPoint, we have a 4 class. So together 12 classes that cover Microsoft Office, which is mainly Word, Excel, and PowerPoint. Okay, so it started Microsoft Word, and Microsoft Word has a 4 class. Last class we covered chapter 1 and chapter 2, or lesson 1 and lesson 2. Okay, and we have recorded the session for those has missed out or didn't join last class. No worry, you can go to our YouTube channel and you can go to our Facebook group. So please make sure that all of you have joined our Facebook group called 24/7 Learning. You can search it, or I have given the link in the chat panel. So make sure you join that group, and also make sure you join our Telegram group, which is messaging group, because in these two groups we'll be publishing all those contents, chat panel and so on and so on. So you don't miss out anything if you are already part of these two groups. Okay. So today we are going to cover on today is the second class. We are going to cover lesson 3 and lesson 4. Again, I will share my slides shortly to share with you what we covered on the last class and what we are going to cover for today. So if you have any question, you can feel free to ask, and we'll actually pause it and then we'll actually continue. So let me just share my screen to let me just take a screenshot one more. Okay, I'm going to share my screen. Can all of you see my screen?
Yes.
Okay, great. Okay. So this is a Microsoft course uh, that we are going to offer. So this is the our flyer for those. I think you have already seen that MOM has broadcast this to all the dormitory and all the MOM bulletin. So this course that we have offer is a free course organized by 24 Asia, supported by Ministry of Manpower, MOM. Okay, so basically they have gone through our course outline, they understand, and they actually they are supported it, so they are monitoring it as well. So every single class is important, and it's important to participate. Okay. So just a short brief, if many of you don't know what is 24 Share, 24 Share is actually a volunteer group that mainly run by the Migrant Brothers, and we drive and run many initiatives. So all of you are, part of the 24 Share family. So you can also join us, our volunteer team. So if you wanted to know, how to join volunteer team, you can just message any of us, and we will actually talk to you one-to-one and add you in the volunteer team. So you can actually run our subsequently many of the initiatives, not just classes. So we work with many NGO and organizations like MOM, and we mainly help our migrant brothers, and we also do lots of live show and other training as well. So in this course for Microsoft Word, we have a 4 class. Okay, each class will be around 2 hours, or and we hope to cover. So at the end of the courses, for those who have joined, this is one of the reasons we take a screenshot for attendance, that you will get a certificate. At the 4th class, we will cover many of the project work. Why? because the project work is important. What we have learned over the different classes, and we'll apply during the project work. So we'll know how to, create a CV. We'll know how to write a letter. We'll know how to write a flyer, banner, many of the things. Okay. So to make sure how to utilize Microsoft Word, and especially if you have used Microsoft Word in the older version, you will notice 2010 and 2013 have a limited feature, but Microsoft Office 2016 and 19 has many new features. So if you want me to recommend, so I would strongly recommend you to install Microsoft Office either 2016 or 19. So the fourth class will do many project work, and many of these project work are based on feature and functionality that is available on Microsoft Office 2016. So this is the lesson one or the chapter one that we covered on the last class. I will just try to recap some of the portion, especially on the ribbon and toolbar, and we'll just try to do a little bit recap on the formatting. So these two part has covered on the previous class. Okay, so I would strongly recommend all of you to go to our YouTube channel and go through the last class what we have covered. So for today class, we'll be more covering on the lesson 3, okay, which is more on deep drive formatting in terms of the changing font, color, style, copying the text and copying the text format, okay, which is basically the properties, copying the paragraphs and paragraph formatting, how to do the aligns the paragraphs, changing the line, sorry, changing the line and paragraph spacing, what are the different options is there in the paragraph, how to, setting the tabs, stops, adding the border and shading, creating the bullets and number, applying the style and formatting the heading. So these are the things that we will learn on today class. So today class will be mainly cover myself and Rubel. Rubel is with me, and I also have Rakib. So I will start fast, or I started fast, and later Rubel and Rakib will help to continue and cover it. Anyone has any question so far? Okay. If not, then we can actually jump to our class. Okay, I think many of the students are still joining it. Yeah, so let me take one more screenshot before I forget. Then we'll jump to our class itself. Okay, Rubel, you wanted to share your screen because I will have another 8 minutes, then I'll drop off.
All right.
Minimize it, go back to your slide, and then open Microsoft Office.
Can see now my screen.
I can only see the WhatsApp. You have share only to your Chrome. You need to do the share full screen. Stop sharing and then share the full screen or desktop.
Can see now.
Well,
Yes.
Yeah, you maybe wanted to close the recovery.
நான் தமிழ்நாடு வந்திருக்கேன், நம்மளால வந்திருக்கேன், தமிழ்நாடு தான் இருக்கேன்.
I would like to request
முத்துராமலிங்கம்.
everyone, please mute yourself. Yeah. Yeah. Okay. So go to the lesson 3. Yeah. So today we'll cover lesson 3 and lesson 4. So lesson 3 more on paragraph. Okay. How to do formatting. Yeah, I would like to. Who is the host? Can you please mute everybody? Yeah, thank you. Yeah. So today we'll cover more on lesson 3 and lesson 4. So lesson 3 more on formatting the document, which is more on the paragraphs, formats, color, bullet, numbers. Okay. And lesson 4. Can you go back to lesson 4? Yeah. So lesson 4 is more on inserting the table, navigate the tables, selecting the tables, table properties like border, columns, rows, sizing, insert the objects, insert the tables, header, footer, date, page numbering, insert the objects, picture, share, and picture properties. So these are the things that actually we are going to learn from today's class. Okay. So now we go to the lesson 3. Now, can you update the Microsoft Word? You can minimize the slide. Rubel, can you open the Microsoft Word?
Yeah, can see. I already open.
I think you have shared only Microsoft PowerPoint. Can you share the full screen? We only see Microsoft PowerPoint.
Mm.
You need to stop share.
Okay, I stop and we will do again.
Can see now?
Yes, can see now. Thank you. Thank you. So today we will more cover on formatting. Okay. So in the formattings, so basically last class, I think some of the things that we have already covered. Just to quickly recap, you can see this is on the front. After the menu, we have the file, home, insert, draw, design, layout, reference, mailing, review, view, help. Okay. So these are all this menu. And after that, we have a toolbar, which is also known as ribbon. So you can see the, copy, paste, you can see the cart, copy and format. You can see, the fonts, okay, like Calvary. You can see the size of the fonts, and you can also see the, how to enlarge the font and reduce the font. Okay, you can also do the bold. Okay, you can do the italic. You can do the, underline. Okay, you can also do the stripe. Okay, which is next. Then these are the formats is available. Then if you see just below the view, okay, and the view menu, yeah, there are also some formattings available for you. Okay, so where more you can do the bullets, and bullets have multiple options that you can choose. Okay, then just below the bullets you will see there is alignment, left, center, right, and the number 4 is justify. Okay, then you will also see it below there are actually shading color. On the left you will see the A is for the text color. These are the different type of format is available. On the right, if you see A, B, C, D, normal, you will see those are different kind of formatting that are available that you can choose, or you can do your own formatting. Okay, let's do a quick formatting side. You can just write, Welcome to 21st Year Learning Center. Yeah, next line. This is our second class. Okay, now if you select the both line, or you can do the Control A, which is all last class that you have learned. You can just go to the bullet. Okay, select Control A all. Yeah, go to the bullet. Then you can, yeah, you can choose any of the bullet. Once you do that, you will see that the bullet has already been taken. Okay, let's say for example we take the tick mark. Yes. Now can you go to the second line and after the class? Yeah. Now you do the enter. Start on the third line. You will see automatically bullet appear. So subsequently, whatever you write, okay. Let's say for example third line. Thank you for joining. Okay. So you just keep writing and you go enter. Then it will automatically appear the bullet on following line. What happened if you wanted to end, you do not want that bullet to be continued, you just enter twice. Okay, let's say do two enter together, and you will see that is exit from the bullet point. Okay, so this is how you add the bullet, and you can continue, and again you can select the whole formatting, and you can also change the bullet at any point of time. Now, let's say, for example, we have a text color is black. Can I choose the bullet color in the red color? Yes, you can do. How do we do that? You select all, go to the bullet. Yeah, then you will see there is a format. Click the, define bullet. Okay. Click the font on top. Yes, now you can select the color. Let's say color, you select the red color. Yes, click OK. Click OK. Then you will see all the bullet color become red, but your text color is still in a black. Okay, because text color you can choose on top. You can see the A from there. So you can choose any type of the bullet. Now let's say for example we have chosen the bullet and we have 3 lines. So now you select the all 3 line and right click, you will see the paragraph. Okay, so what does paragraph does? Paragraph is give you option to choose the spacing, formatting, intonation and alignment. So let's say for example you go to the all the way below, there is a call spacing multiple. So choose click there. There is a 1.5 line. Select 1.5 line and click OK. You will see the spacing has increased to 1.5 line. Now again choose to the double line on the same place where you have just selected. Yeah, double line. Yes, you will see the double line. Okay, so at the same time, okay, so if you wanted to say, let's say for example this is equally increasing, okay, front and back, means up and down. Now let's say for example you need more space. Okay, so again go back on the format, then you will say before and after. So what does before and after means? So you can see the before, you can do 0 pt, so you can click on the spacing below, you put 12. Okay, you just put 0 to 12. Change the before. Okay, also fine. After also 12. You click OK, then you will see what happens is at the end of the paragraph, which is the last line after the thanks for joining, the spacing has increased to 12. This is called after. So meaning that after this paragraph, there is a 12 line or dot, the space is being given, then next paragraph will start. So this is how we play around the paragraph. So there is many setting is there on the paragraph, so you can play around and you will learn. Then this is how we do it format. And last class we have seen the formatting. Now let's say Rubel, can you do the double enter? Yeah, again, yeah. So now here you write, this is our fourth line. Yeah. So if you notice, the first three line has a bullet, but the fourth line don't have a bullet. But you wanted to use fourth line as a bullet also. So what do? Select the first line. Select the first line from the, yeah. Once you have selected, click the format on the brush. You see the paint brush all the way on the left, just below, click the format, yes, yeah. Then now you apply to the number fourth line from behind to front. Okay, so it's already appeared. Okay, so that means you copy the format and apply the format here. Okay, so I will pass over to Rubel to continue the class. Let me just, can you just stop the screen again and take another screenshot? I think we have 32 participants. Let me just take one more screenshot before we continue. Yeah, 1 second. Thank you for everyone. I need to go, so I will hand over to Rubel to continue. Rubel, over to you.
Thank you, Nazul Bhai. Hi everyone, this is Rubel Ahmed.
Mamon's host has been transferred, right? So I can exit.
Yeah, okay.
Should I carry on?
Yeah, sure.
All right. So thanks everyone for joining our second class. My name is Rubel Ahmed. So I'm a proud volunteer of 24 Asia. So no more talk today. We just go and start our class again. I hope everyone is feeling good. So just your mobile phone or your device, just put one place and you just sit. Don't moving. So once you're moving, people not looking my class, they're looking to you. Which way you dancing or something else. All right. So we just share our slide again. Okay. So our brother Nazmul, he show us how to do the bullets. At the same way, we can see how we can do the numbering. So these bullets and these numberings, these paragraphs, when should I use? You may have questions. When you will use these kind of things. So once you make one resume, once you create a resume, once a boss give you something to do, then only these kind of things you have to do. Before that, you need to know how to type. So last class, we show how can be a typist. Very good. So hope you all practice on yourself. Without practice, you cannot be a good typist. All right. So we learn how to do bullets. So we can change here bullets, different type of bullets. You see, bullets already changed. So how to change? You need to select. Select. So you can Control A, press Control A, then select all. Then just go to these bullets and you see which one you need. Just press. Very simple. These things very simple. One time you do, you can learn. No problem. All right. Then we go for numbering. We no need this kind of bullets because now this part we need to put 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Then once we inform, people know which number you are. So we go to numbering here. We press 1, 2, 3. You see 1 dot, 2 dot, 3 dot. Okay, we select here. So here automatically come to the numbering. If you want to change the format, you select all, either you press Control and A can select, or you can, you see your cursor is end of 4th line. So you just press Shift and go to arrow 1 by 1. Then also can select, or your cursor is end, you go to just here. Okay, your mouse is here. You can press your mouse all the way here, or your cursor is end, 4th line end, you just press Shift and your mouse click here. So multiple way you can select. All right. So you see here, you can make in Roman. See, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So these bullets and numbering is really pretty easy for everyone. All right. So now I type one thing what yesterday, last class, I show you everyone. A weak brown fox jumps over the lazy dog. Lazy dogs. Okay, full stop. So now you see this margin, my text on the left, starting from left, but I want it in the middle. So how to do it? You can do one way, that your cursor put here and you just go center. This is called center. This is left. This is called right. This is justify, but justify when you can understand. Okay. All right. You see, now alignment. This all called alignment. Alignment can be left, can be middle, can be right, can be justified. So once you writing the text like essay, paragraph, so use typing. In that time, if you put, you see now, or once you're, okay, center now. You see center, two side is not the same way. But once you put the justify, then you see like our book, all is the lined start to end full. You see, A to fox is full, jumps to lazy is full. Then once dogs end, you continue type, also two side is equal, not like that. Hope everyone understand the what is alignment. All right.
If any question, please hand the raise.
Yeah, we can go it. So this part, anybody have any questions? Just raise the hand. All right. So I can ask someone is, can I ask Uddin Muhammad brother? Can you unmute your mic, please?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Assalamualaikum.
Walaikum salam, brother. Thank you very much. So, brother, just now we show you that how to select the bullets, how to select numbering, and the alignment, how to go left, right, then center, and justifications, justify we call. So
Yes, sir.
this part you clear?
Yeah, thank you, sir. Clear, sir. Clear.
Okay, thank you very much.
Okay, thank you, sir.
So Jeline, you clear all the part?
Yes, sir. I clear.
Okay, so
Yeah, I understand.
next class have question. Okay, so everyone have to understand clearly, because actually you see here we are teaching not for show off. We just, our main intention is our every migrant brother can learn something, right? Okay, so if you know, understand, you just feel free questions, no problem. Thank you for your feedback. All right. Mamun bhai, can see my PowerPoint slide?
No, only Microsoft.
All right, no issue. So formatting text. So if we learn formatting text, then there have few options. These text, how you make font size bigger or smaller. So at least you need to select first. So you select this, then we go here. You see font size. Usually we using 12 or 14. For the regular size, 12 or 14, depend on your text and depend of your boss desire, what type, what font size he really want. So we use 14. Okay. Then here I type something like okay. So you see this typing skill. So typing skill, I want to make a bit different from the quick brown fox jumps over the lazy dogs. How? Okay, typing skills. I select typing skills. Then I go bold. Bold means your regular font, just make a bit change. How? We press the bold. You see. So you see the different, right? Looks like this font I make maybe bigger. Looks like, but not actually. You see, I put typing skills, cursor here, or I select here. Then I go to font. So you see, my font is still the 14. And here, a quick brown fox also still 14. That means I never change my font size. I just press bold. Then it looks like deep color. So everybody understand this bold. And italic is just, you see, looks like not straight, right? See? Okay. Then underline. I think underline everybody know. Okay. So we learn how to make bold, how to make italic, underline. Then if someone say change your color, your typing skills color, can you make it blue? Then where should we go? This is front color. One thing you remember, once A below have this line color, that means this is front color. So we just select and we make blue. Then this a quick brown fox jumps over the lazy dog. If you want to make the different color, where should we go? Okay, what color you want? Maybe purple color. So color is very simple, but once you do this multiple color. Maybe you once you do something, it really help you to practice more, because we like colorful things. All right.
হলো পেজটাকে একটু বড় করা যায়, নিচে ডান পাশে দেখেন জুম অপশন আছে, 100 দেওয়া আছে, এখানে 150 করে দেন তাহলে একটু বড় হবে।
Sure. Okay.
Yeah, thank you so much.
Anyway, all right. Okay, so now hopefully we understand everything, how to make small, how to make big, how to make bold, italic, underline, how to insert the bullets, numbering, and how to do the line, the line spacing, what Nazmul Bhai is showing you, line spacing. So especially line spacing, once we want to do, we need to go this paragraph. Then once we go paragraph, here you see line spacing. So now you see this line spacing is single. So normally once we type any kind of things, we normally line spacing put single. But once I want to do bigger line space, then 1.5 is okay. If we want to do more, then just go to double. Okay. Then this, why I open this, because I need to teach you how to make shortcut. Okay. So once you press Control 1, press Control and 1, then you can see is single. Okay. Control 1. At first, you need to select first all the things, then press Control 1. Once you press Control 5, it show you 1.5 line spacing. Once you press Control 2, it will show you double. So this, this keyboard command shortcut will help you to do the first your job. So must learn this shortcut command. All right. What else? Okay. So now what we're going to learn. My format now is what font. May I know what font? Because I heard this Microsoft Word, a lot of font is there. So how I know which font we are working? Okay. So we select first. Select our text, we go to here, or you select, then right, press right click, then you see front. Okay, once we go front, then what we can see, you see the front, then we can change. You see, select one, then just change one by one. You can see the below here, preview, right? Which one? Preview showing you that the text will be same. You see, now a quick brown fox is different. So which one you like? Which one you like? This one up to you. Which one you like? All right, so we just select one. Okay, this one looks good. We just select. So you just go, press right, front, and here select the font style, which style you want. All right, at the same time you can see the font style, the italic, bold. You can see the sizes, all sizes is here. You can see, you can make the underline from here. Font color you can make here. So everything where you can go, just select first, then press right click. go front. So everything here you can see. All right, now we go to again paragraph. Click, right click, paragraph. So once you go paragraph, here also you can see all the alignment, left, center, right, justifications, and you can see here line space. Okay, everything is here. So we learn formatting text, we learn changing the font and font size, changing the font color and highlight the text, applying font style and effects. Okay, so we go applying the font styling and effects. So we just select here, a quick brown fox jumps over the lazy dog. Then you can go, this is style, you can make change. This one not font color, this one is style. So you go here, you can, you can go here, what kind of shadow you want. This is the format they're showing you. Then if you go here, shadow, reflection, glow, you can change and see what will show you. They're huge format have. You can change on yourself. All right. Okay. Now we go to okay. So what else I can learn here? If you want to insert something, go to insert. What you can insert? You can insert a picture. Yes. Give me a second. Onway, can you ask anyone have any questions?
Okay. Rashid, you want to add anything?
No, it's okay. All right.
So we go to device. You can go to desktop. And you can see the picture. Insert. So you want to bring your page, this picture. Sometimes you write down something, or like toolbox meeting, right? Once those are working as a safety coordinator, you need to know this. Up to you. You doing either Word file or Excel file. You need to insert the picture. Maybe some rectification. You need to show first time is not housekeeping area. You just take one photo. That place is very dirty. A lot of unwanted things is there. So you take first photo, then you get your people, then clean the area first, housekeeping, then again take photo. So both you bring here, you insert here, then you report what you did and just put here is before and another one is after. so people know easily. Like here is before. And another one is after. So like before and after. But here is photo is same, but important things how to insert the photo. So just go insert option. Here is picture. Click here, this device, then my picture is desktop. Okay, here is desktop. Put desktop, then just go down. Which one you like? Okay, this picture, once I bring here, then it's showing very big, like large. How do you minimize or you make it small? This cold. You see. And always remember one thing, that you don't do this here or here. If you make it shape, make change. You cannot get the actual shape. If you use here also, you cannot get the actual shape. So your photo, you can insert first, then you can do this way. Okay, from corner to corner. Any corner can, either left, right, or from here also can. Okay, and once you bring your picture, you should click here. See, in front of text, you always press here. In front of text. Then it will be easily can move everywhere. Once you select the photo, I mean the insert, go insert first, picture, from device, make desktop. If your photo in desktop, you just make desktop, then just select the picture, insert. Okay, once photo is looks big, you just make it small. Okay, before that, you just go here and do in front of text. Okay, that means your photo in front of the text. So you can easily can move anywhere. You can make smaller, you can make bigger, up to you. So I think this insert picture, no one have any doubt.
So double by sorry যে
Please.
যে পিকচারটা এখন বসাইছেন মানে আরেকটা আবার যদি একটু বোঝা যেতেন যে মানে একটা পিকচার বসানোরটা বসাইয়া রিমুভ করা যায় কিভাবে, যে মাঝে মাঝে না পিকচারটা বসানোর পরে লেখলে লেখাটা হয় পিছিয়ে পড়ে দেখেন ওই ভিতরে থাকে, আবার লেখা সরালে আবার ওই পিকচারটা সরে যায়, আবার পিকচারটা সরাতে গেলে এক সাইডে যায় বা মাঝামাঝি রাখা যায় না, আবার এটারে ঘুরান যায় না ঠিক মতো নেই।
All right, Mawbai, thank you. I get it for your point. Okay, so important thing is the one, just now what I say, once you insert the photo, after if you never go here and do the in front of the text, then it will give you many trouble. You cannot move. Sometimes your text go there, your image not moving. But once you put here, just in front of the text, then it will be easy. You can move anywhere. You can move anywhere you want, no problem. Okay, an example, just again, I go here, device, bring the picture. Okay. See, now is not moving well. You see, I try to moving, but cannot moving. So once I go here, press in front of text, then you see, you just press here, then you select how you want. You can bring anyway. Yeah, you can put this before. Okay, you want to copy, just Control D. Okay, this picture, once you want to copy, you select first, then just press Control D. Automatically it will copy. Then you can make the same line. Okay, now same line, and just press the right arrow. So it's straight, can go to right side. Or you're after, you can move a bit, can. Yeah. Mound bhai, any more questions? Mound bhai?
ওকে ক্লিয়ার রেডি ধন্যবাদ ব্রো
Okay, thank you. All right.
সামটাইম বাংলা ইউজ করেন, বোথ ল্যাঙ্গুয়েজে বললে ভালো হবে আর কি।
অবশ্যই। ঠিক আছে, আপনারা যারা আছেন, আপনাদের যারা বাংলাদেশি আছেন, তাদের যদি কোনো সমস্যা থাকে বা বুঝতে বা বুঝাইতে, আপনারা যে কোনো সময় বাংলা ল্যাঙ্গুয়েজ ইউজ করতে পারেন। কিন্তু আমরা আসলে এখানে যেহেতু আমাদের অন্যান্য ন্যাশনালিটিস ভাই বোনেরা আছে, তো আমরা আসলে যদি বাংলা ইউজ করি তারা বুঝবে না। কিন্তু আপনারা যখন না বুঝবেন, আপনারা বলবেন যে এই জিনিসটা আমি বুঝি নাই। যখন আপনি প্রশ্ন করবেন, আমরা অবশ্যই চেষ্টা করব আপনাকে বাংলাতে বুঝিয়ে দেওয়ার জন্য। আমরা দেখেন, এটা তো ছবি এনেছি, so we just go something else. Okay.
Hello, Rubin bhai. Hello.
Hello, anybody asking anything?
Yes, Rubin bhai. I want to confuse. This one say you picture copy, but copy before you select Control plus press Z or D. This
Okay,
this
D for dog.
D. Oh, okay.
D for dog. But Selim bhai,
Yes.
can you see? Okay. So one thing you need to make sure you select. Okay, you see
Okay.
that I select already. So once you select, then only Control D you can copy ready. All right.
Okay. Yes.
Okay. Otherwise you can do just select Control copy Control V. So you two things need to press Control C and D. Okay. Sorry, Control C and V. Okay.
Sorry,
Again, I show you.
Okay.
Okay, I already select. So first things, now I select already. If I press Control D, that means copy. Okay, that one I already show you. And now we never touch D. So what else? Control, okay, C for copy, right? And V
Yes.
for paste. This one we know.
Yes.
Like this one, brown. Once we copy here, then if we paste here, then what I need to do? Control V. Okay, see, brown already done. So here I use C and D. So you just press here. আপনি যখন ইমেজটা করবেন, কপি করবেন, তখন কন্ট্রোল সি দিবেন, আবার কন্ট্রোল ভি দিবেন। ঠিক আছে?
আচ্ছা, দুইটা দেওয়ার কারণ কি?
এটা হচ্ছে কন্ট্রোল, দুইটা অপশন আছে, আপনি যেটা ইউজ করেন। ইজিয়ারটা হচ্ছে আপনি কন্ট্রোল ডি দিবেন। ঠিক আছে?
ওকে। থ্যাংক ইউ।
আচ্ছা, এখন দেখেন ইনসার্টে আর কি আছে। এই যে যেমন বিফোর আর আফটারটা আমি দিচ্ছি, এই বিফোরটা আফটারটা কিন্তু আমি মুভ করতে পারবো। সরি, so everyone here I write down before and after. How if we use this before and after in the text box? Let's try. Here we go insert. Okay, insert, then text box. you see the different qualities. We may just use this. Okay. Then also, sorry, once this one come, you must put in front of the text. Then it will be easy. Now, I just copy this before. Sorry. Before. Okay, Nazmul bhai, show everyone the last class. Either we can copy and we can use cut. So once we use copy, that means this before also I need, then another place I need to paste the before. Okay, but once we this before we no need, then we just press cut. We just press cut. So here is cut. That means here no more ready. We no need. We need here. So you select all and just we select all, then just put V, paste. Sorry. Okay. So before already paste here. Then our this object we can make it small. Now you see our text box, but before is looks left side. So what should we do? We control E. E for center. Okay, control E. Control E for center. Then this text box we go to here. Okay. So now this text box also we need to copy because we make here one more text box. How to copy? Selim bhai, how to copy? What should I press now?
Okay, Control E and okay, you select us after Control E after a center combination.
Yeah, this one once we press, I mean the Control E, the one automatically go the center. But we want to this before box we need to copy. So we Control D. So press D. We already get another one. Then you just press arrow. Okay. Then this before we no need. After we no need.
Yes, yes.
Before also no need. After also no need. Where we need inside the box. So after we just press cut. How to cut? You can right click and press here cut. Another option is how you cut. Control X. Control X also can cut. Then you select here Control V for paste. So once paste, you can see after here.
Okay, thank you.
So before and after already here. So this text box we call text box. Insert here text box. What does mean text box? Some text inside of one of the box. That's called text box. So you normal text you cannot move. Selim. So this text we cannot move easily. But once we keep this Selim inside the box, then we can move easily. Here, just put in front of the text. We can move easily. Anywhere we want to put, we can set, no problem. And the things is same. If you want to put this line, want to color. Sorry, this is Okay, so just right click, edit text, right click. Okay, one more things you see here, very important, like this. You select here, then you press here. You see behind text, behind the text. So unfortunately, you press the behind the text, then you cannot find this. So what you will do, your picture you may move, then you can see. So once you see, can see here your text is below. So you understand your text is below, right? Then what you will do, you select this, select here, you just put behind text. So once you put this big picture is behind text, then your text will come in front. Otherwise, you cannot see your text if here in front of text. So those things, if you practice more, you may learn more. Without practice, you cannot learn. All right, you can see here shapes. You can see a lot of shapes here. Sometimes this shape also required once you using like this kind of arrow. This kind of arrow sometimes we need. So once we need this kind of arrow, you see how do you make it small and bigger. Same, right? Same as the picture. Just press corner and move around. You want to change the color? Shapes. Shapes fill means this inside color. Shape outline means this line color, border. Okay, so you go shape fill, you may choose one color, it's red, but still line is blue. So if you change the line is black, you can change black. Then shape outline. So everyone please see here. Shape outline. You want to make shape outline is different, like a bit bigger. Up to you, which one you need. You want to change different. See? So all the shape outline you can see here. What kind you want? You want dash dash, you want dot dot. Can. You want to change the outline color is yellow or different color also can. Inside color you can change. You make it smaller. All right. So Rashid Bhai, are you here?
রুবেল ভাই একটা জিনিস কি অ্যাড করে দিবেন?
জি বলেন প্লিজ।
অ্যারো চিহ্নটা যে আপনি ছোট বড় করতেছেন, এটা সাইজও চেঞ্জ করা যায় ওই দুইটা পয়েন্ট থেকে, ওটা একটু দেখাই দিবেন ভালো হয়।
মানে এই যে এখানে যে পয়েন্টগুলো,
হ্যাঁ হ্যাঁ, এই পয়েন্টগুলো থেকে ওরা সাইজ চেঞ্জ করতে হবে।
অবশ্যই অবশ্যই।
Rashid, are you available?
All right, so we see. Okay, let me check. You see here this 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. So this 8, the white color circle is for change the shape. You can change the shape, but normally you're using this corner. But another, these 2 orange circle, it will help you to change. Like once we select here, you see the 2 part. So below part is not moving, just 1 part is moving. And if I using this one, then you see. See, the below part is now moving. So these 2 way also you can change. Hope everyone understand. Thank you.
Rashid,
Yes, I'm here.
All right. So Rakib, are you in laptop?
Yes, bro.
Yes, yes.
Okay. So as long you both of you here, so anyone can show the.
yeah, maybe Rashid can do.
All right.
Okay, Mohan bhai, can make me co-host please for share screen.
Yeah, sure.
Yeah, I stop my screen first.
Done.
First of all, thank you everybody. Once more, myself Rashid Muhammad. Also, I am a volunteer, proudly volunteer in 24 Asia. So thank you, Rubal bhai, for your fantastic teaching. So I also want to add something from the next. So I share my screen. Everybody can see my screen, please?
Yes.
All right.
Yes, can see.
All right. So what's Rubal bhai brief here? So everything is perfect. So I just want to add something more here. Okay, first of all, I add a picture. So picture, I just copy and paste. Okay, so that's, oh, sorry. Go to my, okay, like this picture. So I have understand that Mahabub bhai before question. So here I have something to add more that I show. Let's see. Okay, this picture, Rubal bhai already showed that you can take from here and copying. So this part I want to add something more, that I here have two formats. If you double click on the picture, then here coming the picture properties. So over there, if you go to work, then here same format you can see. So here are another one important tools that called sort or type. So if I give type, I bring some text over here. Sorry. Okay, I just doing some dummy text from other place. So what is the meaning of tight? Everybody can see any changes over here. My picture is left side, then right side over there gap. I have what I bring like example. This picture I make a bit shorter more. Okay, so now here you have a topic. So sometimes you can see like newspaper style or something, that picture is inside. Then over there, rounding is text. So it's called thought. You can see you move the picture, your text automatically cover up. How big you make, automatically covering. You want to put here, okay. Just picture is center. Other four side, three side is text. Is it clear?
No clear, bro. Show me again.
Okay. Your question was once more, please.
This picture you put the writing there. The writing automatic cover or writing go another side.
Okay, there have all options. Which one you want? All options here have like this picture. If you want to put in center, you see picture is center. Other four side is covering by the text.
Yes, correct.
See?
Then
So
how to doing? The which page going to then this one writing? Wow, what's text?
yes, objects, double click objects, then here is type. Type
Oh,
means this picture is center, other four side covering by text. Another one is thought. If you give thought, also it's same working. Clear, bro?
yes, now clear, bro. Thanks.
Okay, thank you. I may go our rule by.
G.
Please can tell me that which part after I continue, how many points is covering over
Okay.
here?
So especially now is two part. You can check the
okay
I mean the table and the chart. These two
okay,
part.
table and graph.
Yeah, graph.
Thank you. Okay, over there, before I go to graph, I want to add something more, that just now you saw that rule by show here is arrow mark, right? Over here is arrow mark. So this arrow mark you can customize like your own shape. Over here you can see two yellow dots. These two yellow dots you can plus and minus, up and down. You can see that shape changing. You want to more bigger, more. You want to more smaller, more smaller. That was Rakibul Bhai question, is it? Okay, thank you. I move over to the graph. I delete there. Okay. Now we are going to part 3. Part 4. Lesson 4. Lesson 4 is table. So what is table? How we make a table, and what is important that table we need in during we make any documents or anything. So let's go take a look. Over here table, you can see insert, then here have table bar. So this table bar meaning, table means column. You can see over here how many column you need, how many row you need. You can be filling from here, or you can go directly insert table, then you can give more number, like there have only 10, So you need like row 20. You can give here 20. You need column like 5. Yes, 5. You can go. Okay. So that is table. So in this table, we can customize in our own. Like I just here, I making on format that you can understand what we can do through this table. First of all, table we can customize here. All the column row, you can go there and click. Then you can move left and right. How much you want, you can move it. All the row are customizable. You can move it. Same as row. If you need more bigger, you can move it. So in this table, I just make a form that you can understand more that how we make it. Number one, this table is normal, like first stage of table. So if you want more colorful table, here we have table bar. You can go there and choose your format. Many color, many shape, many design, many format. You can choose it. Like I choose it. Guys, do you understand how to insert a table? Anybody can repeat this? Do you understand how to insert a table in MS Word?
Yes, understand, bro.
Yeah, very clear.
Okay, I delete one more time. One more time I delete. Table, I have to go insert and table. Here you click. Then if you need short table, like sometimes you want to make some report, so before and after, so you need a before and after, 2 columns. You need more row, so in this case you can choose row here. So I choose 4 row and 2 columns. Like this I can insert a table. Now how do I input a photo or something inside the table? So you can go here, insert, then you see here picture, insert picture. So I go to picture, any of there, I go download. Okay, I click here on picture, insert. So now you can see our table before and now is quite messy because this picture format we haven't set up. So in this case, you can double click on the picture, then you see here size, how much, how many centimeter or you need the picture, you can customize here. So mostly we use 5 or 6 or 7. So I just give 6, then enter, or I give 5, enter. No, it's complete. So I give 3, enter. Okay. So here is our picture. Then another picture I want to add here. Down is before picture, down is after picture. You want to add same, you can go insert picture, then you choose like anyone picture, insert. So again changing the format table, so you have to double click on picture, go here and make same form like 3. So you can see here on is vertical, on is wide scale. So that's why if we give 3 means up and down all is 3 centimeter. Here is 3 centimeter cm. If you need more, then you can click here, go 5. It's bigger. In this case, this picture you can go this center and bring to the same. Okay. one more thing, any picture, any of your picture, if you go here, already Rubel by show that is okay, if you go left or right, is property automatically change. It's not the actual one. So I go undo. But in this case, if you want just little bit shorter, but your property you do want to be changed, then you can do another one thing. You press shift, then you do from side. Okay. Sorry, table inside it doesn't work. Okay, sorry. So we follow this corner. Okay. But now our picture looks not so nice because it's formatting here below have gap and side also have gap. So in this case, you click the picture, then center. This picture also center. Do you understand?
Yeah, brother, we understand. But brother, I have one question.
Yes.
We see the first picture is landscape, then the second picture is looks like portrait. So the second picture, how I make landscape size?
Okay. Picture formatting we cannot change over here because if this vertical picture, if you customize here, you see the automatically the format automatically change. So in this case, we cannot change the picture properties landscape to vertical, vertical to landscape. But during we taking picture, we have to choose the picture that are same format. Okay, this picture I delete. This picture also I delete. Now I do another one thing. Go to insert, add a picture. Go to my download. Sorry. Okay, I add one picture here. Insert. So this picture is here. Now double click on the picture, go to this properties, 5, okay. Then I go over here, click another another cell. I go insert picture. I add same vertical picture on more. Then I double click here. I go 5, enter. Now you can see the picture size is same. So during we do the report, we have to choose our picture also correctly. If first time why I choose landscape and vertical picture, because of this thing, you have to understand that vertical picture you put and another one landscape, it's not looks nice. So we want to make nicer, so we choose the picture also correctly.
Okay, thank you. So another thing, if I have to insert two picture like one vertical and one portrait, so because the sizes is not same, so have any option the picture sizes, I mean length and width is can make similar, I mean same as the picture sizes, two picture both are looks like same, can make like this.
Okay, so here is our vertical picture. I add add one more picture as landscape. So this is the format. Now you can see over here. If you choose vertical picture here and landscape picture also. So in this case, the picture picture is okay, but problem is you can see the landscape picture very big and vertical picture is short, because if you make same size, this picture also I make same some bigger, then you can see here coming on gap.
Yes.
So That's the way we always follow column size, means row size. If you never follow the row size, then it's not look so good. But here you can, this is the only option. You can do vertical and landscape.
Okay, thank you.
But in this case, I suggest that you have to choose picture vertical, and landscape, landscape.
So, bro.
Okay, now here is before, here is after. I use same picture, then you can use same picture. I using same picture, but you choose your picture is differently. So you can writing here is the, here is the problem. Here is rectified. So why I do before and after, and here is problem and here is rectified. Now during you make any please mute whoever not talking, please mute your mic. Yeah, thank you. In this picture, now sometimes you have to mark out that this portion I want to notice, I want to show people that this is the problem part, so you have to rectify it. So in this case you have to go insert sharp, then here have many option and many format you can see over here. So normally you can choose square or triangle, or I put, so I want to mark that this portion is QR code have some problem, so I choose it, put in front of this QR code. But now you see picture is behind and I cannot see that what is the problem. So you can customize this shape, color and border. So here have shape and shape outliner. So shape, what is shape? You can see here, if I choose the color, the shape color, center color is changing. Center color is changing. So you can change the color. But in this case, I no need any color. I need to, I want to see the behind background what's happened. So in this case, I choose no fill. If I click no fill, now you can see over here, I can see my QR code. Now is the border shape outline. So this shape outline, if you go below shape outline, now you can choose your color also. I have to make it red, yellow, green, which color you want, up to you, but you can make it. Then still I am not satisfied that this color can see from far. So in this case, I want this border some more bigger, thicker. So I go again this shape outline. You can go here weight, then you can choose how thick you want. How thick you want, you can choose from here. So I just give 2.25. Now you can do another one thing. You want to design this shape that you want to show some other is round, but you want to show some others like dash. If I go there, outline same, I go to dash, then I choose here, you can see dot dot, bigger dot dot, then some more bigger dot dot. Here have few format, you can choose of any format if you want. So normally looks better. Now I delete this. Now another thing, you see 24 Asia logo. So I want to mark only the 24 Asia logo, not other thing. And I no need round circle or anything. I just want to give a arrow that this is my pinpoint. You can see it. So same, I go to insert, shape, here have arrow. So I just click on arrow over here. Now you can see that this is the arrow. So I pinpoint this part. This arrow, you can customize shape. You can go to shape, you can give color, you can do same sticker and also same as dot dash. Which one you want? You can make it smaller and bigger. You can round 360. Any question about this?
No question, bro. Thank you.
Okay, thank you. I delete it. We go to our outline. Insert dimension table, adding border and clearing row column. Okay, if I go to border, I delete all the photos here for more understanding. Okay, now I want to make a report. Uh, some of the place you can add column, like you select full row. Here I have now 1, 2, 3, 4 row and 2 column, but I want to add more column. You make on report, so you have to add more column. How you make it? Okay, you go above of the table, you click, select all. Now right click, then you can add, you go insert and add column left or right, row above, row below. So anything you can do from here. I add one more column, then I add another one more column, right. So here, before I have 2 column and 4 row. Now I have 4 column and 4 row.
Rashad, we have 10 minutes.
Yes.
You can cover graph also.
Okay, sure. Okay, what I want to show you in this table, more important part like merge cell. Sometimes you see some report, you want to cover this whole 4 column, but on row only you want to make become a one cell. So in this case, you can go right click, merge cell, click here. Then you see here 4 column become one cell. So if I writing any training briefing, now I need some name, project name, project title, topic, or something like that. So you can customize every cell. How you customize? Here I write company name, date. So I can shorter here, name, I can shorter here. So here you write like a company name or any organization name, 24 Asia, name, Akib, date, today date, 11/7/2021. Now, if you want like this 6 cell, you covering only one cell and you want to put a photo. How you make it? You select these 4, right click, go to merge cell. Then you see you have company name, company, you have person name, you have date, and you have enough space. Now you want to add a photo or training briefing material, like anything you want to brief. Today is our MS Word class. Table graph. So whatever topic you want to write, you can write over here. So any question about this, that how you make the formatting table?
Yes, bro. Have one question.
Yes.
Because last time I said make this column, I have confused so many. But today clear. One more can show me again. The just now on 3 column make the 1 column, right? The below one. Today is our MS Word class. Here have the last time 2 column, right? This one cut put 1 column. Can show me this thing?
Okay, that's fine. Go ahead again. So this is our table. So you have enough information, company name, date. So you have to make it a topic, briefing place. So you no need this all column. You want to make it one, and you have to writing all the briefing here. So first of all, in this case, you can do so many options. First of all, if you want same row, like right click, merge cell. You see 2 column become one. So here is number 1. You can write over here. Then you can select here merge cell, right click and merge cell. Number 2, then again select right click merge cell. Then here is number 3. So like this way you can do it. Or another one thing you can do before I show, all together combine. So how we make it? Totally select all, right click and merge cell.
Okay, thanks, bro. Understand.
Anybody have any other question, please?
রাশেদ ভাইয়া, যদি আমি কোম্পানির লোগো ব্যবহার করি উপরে, তারপর কোম্পানির নাম রাইটিং করে, যদি ওই সময় রাইটিং করার সময় দেখা যায় যে বক্স চেঞ্জ হয়ে যায়, অনেক সময় লেখাগুলো উপরে কিছু লেখলে একটু এলোমেলো হয়ে যায়, এটা আর কি একটু বলবেন?
Okay, actually this is a very long topic, so I have only 10 minutes. I have to show graph also. So Maun bhai, can I continue?
Yeah, sure. But you can show him also. Okay, no, never mind. I will do that.
No, সাকিব ভাই, সরি রাশেদ ভাই, উনি যেটা জিজ্ঞেস করছে সেটা পয়েন্টটা খুবই সিম্পল। সেটা হচ্ছে যে আমরা যেমন পিকচার টানলাম না, পিকচারটা আমরা যেমন আনলাম ঠিক সেম ওয়েতেই তো আপনার এইটা। হ্যাঁ,
আমি বুঝতে পারছি।
ওটা তো অলরেডি আমরা দেখাইছি।
হ্যাঁ। Okay, one of our brother question, how he put in company logo. Okay, that's fine. I go to my file. Okay, I am putting here our 24 Asia logo. So you see training briefing and logo now it's become messy. So I want to make it smaller. I want to make it smaller.
হেডার ফোল্ডার হিসেবে দেখাইতে পারো, সমস্যা নেই।
হেডার ফোল্ডারের পার্ট কি কমপ্লিট করা হয় নাই?
না, সমস্যা নাই, কোশ্চেন করছে তো, জাস্ট 1 মিনিটে 1 সেকেন্ডে দেখানো যায়, সমস্যা নেই।
Okay, that's fine. Then I go for header and footer. Okay, brother, I mark your question. I will come back to you later about this thing. I go to graph first because that one also more important. Topic, three topic. Is it okay?
Okay.
Okay. So Okay, so today we observe how to make table inside a table and how you can customize the table and put picture, your writing materials, writing topic, everything. Now I am to show you graph and smart art. It's very simple. Okay. First of all, I go smart art. What is a smart art? You see insert, then picture, shape, and here have smart art and chart. So these two topics I covering now. Smart art. If I click smart art, you can see over here coming a list. So this format actually when you want to do some processing progress, or you want to do some uh, list, or you want to do some process, and to do some circle, how to circling. So this is the thing. So I go on simple thing, like I choose a chart. So here is our smart art. So what is the meaning? Here you can see automatically come our smart art. So you want to choose the formatting also can. You see over here have many format. Which format you like, which format you choose is up to you. You can do everything from here. So I just choose a simple thing that you can understand more. Okay. So you can change the color. You go changing color over here bar under design. Then you can choose the color, any color. So I choose on color to look more good. Text, you just click here, write 24 Asia. Then second is learning. MS Word. So today is our MS Word class. So some place you can see every place, not every place. Sometimes you have to do some processing sector, like one by one. This is number one sequence. This is number two sequence. This is number three sequence. So that time we use this smart art. Or you want to change the format, you go over here, you choose any of, you see, number one, 24 here, it says process, like showing how we do number one, number two, and number three part. First of all, 24 Asia, then second learning, second MS Word. So today is our class MS Word. Is it clear? Any question about it? Okay, if no more question, then I delete it and I go to graph. Again, I go to insert, then chart. This chart is very important. Sometimes we see a few, sometimes we can understand that how we want to make the chart. Like this is a vertical chart. Now we go to bar chart, line chart, bar chart, area chart. So I just show on simple chart, then you can understand more. So here have many options, many folders. So I just do simple one for more understanding. Once you select this chart, you can see on Excel format automatically come here. So why this Excel format coming here? Because here is the all properties linked in. Now you can see here cell, yellow, yellow, blue, gray, orange, first, second, third, fourth, quarter. So here is cells, here is cells. So if I click cells here, I write like hobby. If I like hobby here, I click outside, you see here automatically changing the topic hobby. First quarter, I put cricket. Cricket, I click outside, here coming cricket. Second quarter, I click football. I click outside, here coming football. Third quarter, I click hockey and badminton. For your simple understanding. So when I changing here, my properties over here also changing. Cricket, football, hockey, badminton. So how is the percentage? How much you understanding this? So about 100% cricket, I know.
রাশেদ ভাই ফুটবল অ্যাপটা একটু চেঞ্জ করে
Sorry?
ফুটবল লেখাটা একটু চেঞ্জ
Oh, sorry. That's a mistake. So cricket, I understand 40%. I click here, you can see automatically go to 40. Cricket, now football, I understand 20%. If I put 20, it's coming bigger. This is 40, this is 20. Hockey, I understand 10%. If I put 10, hockey become 10%. How you understand which one hockey? You see cricket color is, I make it bigger here, you can see more, good. Okay, cricket color is blue. So blue is this part is 40%. Football color is orange. So orange part is 20%. Hockey color is gray. So gray is 10%. Badminton, if I put 30 over here, then coming 30. So this is called graph chart. So this is called graph chart that I have make my chart, my hobby, football, cricket, hockey, badminton, and this is the percentage. So if I want to change some more formats, okay, I double click here. I want to show the different view. Here have many format you can choose over here. If I put here, you see 30%, 40%, 20%, 10%. You can see here have different types. So you can choose from over here any of them. Then you can customize your graph. Is there any question? Brother, is there any question?
No, thank you.
Brother, thank you. But brother, how do you actually use this kind of chart? These things. I mean, for what work?
Okay, I stop my screen share. Okay, this chart we using if you do any project, like your progress report, you're doing the progress report, first progress, second progress, third progress, fourth progress. So in this progress report, you have to use some kind of graph chart. Then how many percentage you did, how many percentage left. So I just show that my hobby is for your understanding, like our hobby something, but you use it for your work site or anything.
রাশিদ ভাই আমাদের তো সময় নাই, একটা জিনিস আমরা দেখাই নাই, সেটা হলো ওই চার্টের কালার কিভাবে চেঞ্জ করতে হয়। 1 মিনিটে দেখানো যাবে কি, বা আমি স্ক্রিন শেয়ার করে দেই আমারটা?
Yeah, sure. Then I hand over to Rakib Bhai, so you can cover the header and footer also.
Just 1 minute, I try to do.
Yeah, thank you.
Hello, good afternoon, everyone.
Good afternoon.
Sorry.
Good afternoon.
So late. Actually, just now I show you screen one Microsoft Office page. Can you take the picture? So because we don't have time, so just take the picture so easily we can understand. So have you take the picture?
Yes, take it.
Okay, just I zoom. Okay, when you select this chart, you cannot move. I show you again. If you go insert and then select the chart, this one is 3D. I open the 3D. Okay, right now I cannot move anything. So I have to select again. So I just shortcut show you. Okay, coming here, so I can move any place. Okay, send that. You just here have 4 color. So just select one color. So when you select color, you can right button, you can click. Then you can edit everything. Edit your data, whatever you want, you can change only the single column. Then again, you want to choose the right button, or you coming the right hand here, the filler is over there. You can change the color. Any color you can change. It's clear to everybody?
Yeah, bro, clear.
Okay, that's thing. Just share with you all. I think hopefully you can. This one you can do for you every day the daily report on your construction site. Then you update the diesel manpower every day increase or go down. Then daily cost you can share. That thing. I hand over to Rashid Bhai and Rubel Bhai. Thanks for you.
Thank you, Rakib bhai. Rubel bhai, are you here? Okay, so our number 4 lesson, table, graph, and smart object, we have already done.
You just share the header and footer. That's it.
Okay.
ইনসার্টে আছে ইনসার্টে এবং লাস্টের দিকে
Okay, so header and footer. What is header and footer? So if I take some text, dummy text, for your more understanding.
জাস্ট লগোটা আর কোম্পানি অ্যাড্রেসটা দেখাও তো সবার জন্য ইজি হবে।
Yes, yes. I have making here 3 pages. I am making here 3 pages, some dummy text, so it doesn't matter. But we want to show our company logo or your personal branding, whatever. You want to show every page is same, looks same. So in this case, we're using header and footer. So have to go insert. Here is header. So if I click header, here have our option blank, then format 1 2 3 3 column. Here have few tags, so I just use blank. Okay, so this header, now you can see I click on place, my 2 page also same selected and selected. So this text, if I here, okay, this text I delete first. I to put here our company logo. So I choose logo, copy the logo and paste here. So you see, I choose only one place, my 2 page same automatically coming the logo. So now I can adjust my logo, how much I want to put it, how big or how small. Click your center. So
Any question?
now you can see header. Here is our logo. Here is our logo. If I go number 3 page, also here is our logo. So it's very simple. You understand? As like same, if I go to footer, also same. I go insert, footer blank. You see, footer is below part, header is top view, top part. So here I delete there. I go of our another logo. Okay, this logo size is very big, so I make it small as I want. Okay, now our top logo is left side. I want this logo to be right side. So click the photo and go same home, and I can put center, I can put right side. So I put it right, again double click on my template. Now you can see I just put on place, but my logo header is everywhere same in my 3-4 page. If I see footer part also same. Here, here, here below, and above. Is that clear? Any question?
ধন্যবাদ ব্রো।
Okay, so I pass over to Mamun Bhai. So Mamun Bhai, please.
No, you can finish because we already over 10 minutes.
Oh, okay. So thank you everybody for joining today our class and learning this session. So whatever you understand or whatever you learn from here, please keep practicing, and practice makes a better. Practice only make you better, because if you just learn it, you see it, today you see, tomorrow maybe you can be forget. So same thing, you can go to our YouTube. Later we'll give you link. Then if you have any doubt, anything, you can see, reference the video and continue your work, and do some homework, and if possible you submit to our group chat.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Yeah, thank you so much everybody.
থ্যাংক ইউ স্যার।
Thank you very much 24 Asia for supporting our migrant brothers and do like this kind of good initiative. So thank you very much brothers and 24 Asia team and MOM.
Yeah,
Thanks.
obviously.
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much. Bye bye. See you all in next class. Bye bye.
আরো যদি কোনো কিছু বোঝার থাকে, সময় থাকলে থাকতে পারেন, আমরা পরে বোঝাবো আর কি।
Thank you. Bye bye.
Yeah, thank you.
Thank you so much. Thank you. Bye bye.
So guys, all of you, I have one recommendation. You invite your all friends to join our next class as much as you can gather the people. So it's good for all of us, so we can learn more together.
Asha, you can stop video.
Okay, sir.
Recording.
Okay,
Thank you, sir. Okay.
Okay.
Thank you. Stop for any.